Throwing aspirin in the washing machine, a laundry secret that very few know and that you need to know. Also, if you continue watching until the end, I will show you why you should put vinegar in the toilet tank. And if you usually cry when you chop onions in the kitchen, I will also teach you a way so that you do not shed more tears, using only a candle. So let's get to know what it's like to throw aspirin in the washing machine right away. Washing machines seem to have no difficulty washing colored clothes, but the same does not happen with white clothes, as with time, difficult stains appear to be removed. The first thing we are going to do is take a bag and put 5 aspirins inside. With the help of a spoon, we are going to crush them well until they are crushed and powdery. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Fabian Pacheco from Uruguay. Then we take preheated water and place the aspirins inside until they melt completely. Once they melt, pour this mixture into the washing machine along with the white clothes and wash as usual. After this, you will notice that they will be very white. Now in the second trick, I will teach you why you should put vinegar in the toilet bowl. In the tank, it usually accumulates a lot of dirt and filth, which over time end up staining the toilet bowl when you throw it out of the toilet. To avoid this, first close the door so that no more water enters the tank. Then throw it out of the toilet so that all the water comes out and is empty. Then spray a good amount of vinegar in the tank and let it rest for 2 hours. Once the time has passed, we take an old toothbrush and pass it very well through all the edges of the toilet. When you have done this, you just have to open the key again and let the water enter. When you throw it out of the toilet again, all the water and the accumulated filth will come out. Now I will show you how you can prevent your eyes from itching when you chop the onion. Tears and other discomfort arise due to a substance known as allicin, and it is released as a kind of sulfur gas, which when in contact with the eyes triggers irritation. But when using a candle while chopping the onion, this can be avoided. Just put it next to the onion and light it just before you start passing the knife. Then, when you start cutting, the smoke from the fire that comes out of the candle will absorb the volatile substances of the onion, preventing them from reaching the eyes and nostrils. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content similar to this.